Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video we have learnt about data abstraction in Python, how you can hide the data in a class. So in this video we will see how to have the abstract classes in Python. So abstract classes. So what are abstract classes? A class that consists of one or more abstract method is called as the abstract class. So whatever class which have the abstract method is called as abstract class. So what are abstract methods? So abstract methods are the normal method which do not contain their implementation. So normal methods have the implementation, but abstract methods do not have the implementation. So abstract class can be inherited by the subclass, and abstract method gets its definition in the subclass. So any class can inherit the abstract class. So when it inherits the abstract class, it has access to that particular abstract method, and then that particular subclass can provide the definition for the abstract method. So abstraction classes are meant to be the blueprint for the other classes. An abstract class can be useful when we are designing the large functions. Python provides the ABC module to use the abstraction, so we need to make use of the ABC module for the abstract classes in the Python program. So the syntax for abstract classes is you need to use this ABC module. From ABC import ABC. This ABC stand for abstract base classes, and here you need to provide the class name which will be the abstract class, and you need to import this ABC for that class. So an abstract class can contain both method, a normal method as well as a abstract method. An abstract class cannot be instantiated, means you cannot create the object of abstract class. So that's the theory about the abstract classes. Let's see in our code how we can make use of these abstract classes. So this is my abstract class.python file. So this is my abstract class.python file. So let's first create a normal class. So let's say class shape, and inside this class shape we have one method def show, which will be the normal method. So it means it will have the implementation. So we will provide here implementation. So let's say we want to print something here in shape class, and another method we want to have in this class def, let's say side, and for this method we don't want to provide any implementation, so we will provide here pass keyword. So pass keyword is used when we don't want to provide any implementation, or we want to do anything inside the code. So this is one class. So now I can able to create the object of this class. So let's say obj equals to shape, and we will call these two methods here, obj dot show and obj dot side. So let's run this code first. So what output we will get here? So we are getting here in shape class. So why we are getting this output? Because this is our class, and here we have created the object, and we are calling this method obj.show. So inside this show we have this print statement in shape class, and in obj.side we don't have anything, we have used here pass. But what we have learnt in the theory, it says that you cannot create the object of the abstract class. So we are able to create the object because this is the normal class, we haven't imported the ABC module here. So let's make this class as abstract class. So you can make use of import ABC from ABC, right? So this was the syntax here, and here you need to inherit ABC. Why we are getting error? Let's see in the syntax. So what it says, you need to import from ABC, import ABC. We need to reverse this. From ABC we need to import, from ABC import ABC, and then you can make use of this ABC for this class shape. Now if I try to run this code, it should give me an error because I have created here the object, and abstract class object cannot be created. So if I run this code now, we have here, so still I am able to get the output in shape class. Why? Because you need to provide here from abc import abc. This was our abstract method, so you need to tell compiler that this is the abstract method with the help of decorator at the rate, and you need to say here abstract method. Before that you need to declare here abstract method, and you need to tell your compiler that this particular method is abstract method. So when I run this code, I should get an error. See, we are getting an error which says type error, obj shape where we have created the object can't instantiate abstract class shape with abstract method side. So it says that this particular side method is an abstract method and you cannot create the object for abstract class. Now let me remove this part. Now what we will do, we will provide the implementation for this method in the subclasses. As you have seen in the theory, it says that an abstract class can be inherited by the subclass, and abstract method gets its definition in the subclass. So let's have the subclasses here. Now another class we will define here, class, let's say square, and for this class square we will have the parent class as shape. And now here you can provide the implementation for this side method. So def side, and here you can say print. So here you can say square has 4 sides. So that's all we wanted in this square class. Let's have another class, let's say triangle. So it will also inherit the properties from the parent class shape, and here you can say def side, and implementation here print triangle has 3 sides. Now you can create the object of these classes, because these are the normal classes, because they are providing implementation to the abstract method. So now if you create the object of square class, let's say square sq is the object of square class, and now here you can access sq dot side, and another object of triangle try, which is the object of triangle class, and you can access the method side here. If you try to run this code, so see, we are getting here square has 4 sides and triangle has 3 sides. So how the code is behaving? First thing what we are doing here, so from abc import abc and abstract method. So this tells the compiler that this is the abstract class, and inside that abstract class there is one abstract method. So you need to provide your decoration here with the help of @ symbol, and you need to provide the name of abstract method, and any class which is importing this particular abstract class has to provide the implementation for this side method. So what is the advantage here? Any class which is inheriting the parent class can provide the implementation of that particular choice. Like inside the square you can provide implementation like square has 4 sides, and inside the triangle you can provide implementation like triangle has 3 sides. So what if I just imported here the shape class and I don't provide the implementation for abstract method? If I remove this abstract method here, and let's say I provide another method here, def, let's say angle is the name of method here, and inside that I provide implementation as print sum of angle is 180 degree. If I save this and run now, before that I need to remove this. Now side method is not there. So what I can say, try dot side, let's see what output we get here. So see, we are getting here output which says can't instantiate abstract class triangle with abstract method side, because we haven't provided the implementation here. So any method which is trying to implement the abstract class need to provide the implementation for abstract method as well. So that was all about the abstract classes in Python. We will cover another topics of Python in next video. Thank you for watching.